Some of the important previous year questions from the art and culture section to understand the seriousness of preparation of this segment of GS paper 1 in mains examination of UPSC. First question, which came in 2015, in which you're supposed to write 200 words for 12.5 marks. The question is, the ancient civilization in Indian subcontinent differed from those of Egypt, Mesopotamia and Greece in that its culture and tradition have been preserved without a breakdown to the present day. Comment. So this question is taken. The answer of this question you'll find in the book named The Wonders of India by A.L. Basham, the preface part, page 4. Question number second, which also came in 2015, 200 words for 12.5 marks. Question is, Mesolithic rock cut architecture of India not only reflects the cultural life of the time but also a fine aesthetic sense comparable to modern painting. Critically evaluate this comment. Question number third, which came in 2019, 150 words, 10 marks. Do we have cultural pockets of small India all over the nation? Elaborate with examples. Question number 4, which came in 2020 for 150 marks and 10 marks. 150 words for 10 marks. The rock cut architecture represents one of the most important sources of our knowledge to early Indian art and history. Discuss. I'm repeating again. The rock cut architecture represents one of the most important sources of our knowledge of early Indian art and history. Discuss. Next question, which came in 2020 for 10 marks, 150 words. Pala period is the most significant phase in the history of Buddhism in India. Enumerate. Question number 6, which came in 2020 for 10 marks, 150 words. Indian philosophy and tradition played a significant role in conceiving and shaping the monuments and their art in India. Discuss. Question number 7 came in 2020 for 10 marks, 150 words. Persian literary sources of medieval India reflect the spirit of the age. Comment. I'm repeating once again. Persian literary sources of medieval India reflect the spirit of the age. Comment. Question number 8, which also came in 2020 for 10 marks, 150 words. Do you agree that regionalism in India appears to be consequence of rising cultural assertiveness? Argue. Question number 9, which came in 2021 for 10 marks and 150 words. Evaluate the nature of the Bhakti literature and its contribution to Indian culture. Evaluate the nature of the Bhakti literature and its contribution to Indian culture. Next question, question number 10, which came in 2022 for 10 marks, 150 words. How will you explain that medieval Indian temple sculptures represent the social life of those days? How will you explain that medieval Indian temple sculptures represent the life of those days? Next question, question number 11, which came in 2022 for 10 marks, 150 word. Discuss the main contributions of Gupta period and Chola period to Indian heritage and culture. Last question, question number 12, which came in 2022 for 10 marks, 150 words. Discuss the significance of the lion and bull figures in Indian mythology, art, and architecture.